Hello, my name is Anthony Aje, and in this assignment we are to find some Venn diagram and answer some questions. And also we are to draw our own Venn diagram too, and also from there we are to answer some questions, some 6 basic questions. So this is the Venn diagram that I found, and this is the Venn diagram that I drew. So here we will begin by answering question on the Venn diagram that I found. So on the first question, SQL set operations union. Choose any two or more of the dataset in your Venn diagram. Which element will be included in the union of these datasets? So we choose SEO, which holds these members. Website also holds these members, and the union is written as SUO union website. So if you say the union, we are talking about all members in SEO and at the same combined with all members in website. So there is no repetition of members. So all the members in SEO and all the members in website have been provided here. And we go to SQL set operation intersect. How would you describe one segment of your Venn diagram that represents the intersection of at least 3 of your datasets? So we have 3 datasets. This is our first dataset, second dataset, and their third dataset, and each have their own members. And when we do our intersection, we have SEO intersect with social media, intersect with the website, we get shareable content. So if come here, you see that SEO, social media, and website, we get shareable content as the results. And we go to question 3. SQL set operation except. Choose any 2 or more of the dataset in your Venn diagram. Find an outlier element. Describe what excluding this outlier element except logic means for your dataset. So we have the dataset SEO and website and their members, and the except operation here is provide a result of keyword research and land paging. So we are looking for all members which are in SEO but not in website, and we find out that keyword researching and landing pages are only the members which are in SEO but not in website. We go to our question 4, which says that SQL join operation inner. Using all of the data set in your Venn diagram, which segment represent the result of an inner join? If this does not apply to your specific Venn diagram, explain why. So this, we have all the members in SEO, all the members in PPC, all the members in website, all the members in social media, and all the members in email as well. And when we do the union, we realize that they are all empty. We have an empty set because there is no union among these data sets. So we go to question 3. SQL join operation. Question 5. SQL join operation left. Using any 2 of the data sets in your Venn diagram, how would you describe the result of the left join? So looking at the SEO members and website, we are actually looking at all members who appear in SEO and members which have a matching pair with on website. So if you check for the members of SEO and website, we get our result of So a left join keeps all elements in the first set. So we will keep all these elements, then we will find a matching element in the website. So SEO keyword research, long form article, blog, landing page, and shareable content are the results. So we have matching element are long form articles, blog, and shareable content, and no matching element are keyword research and landing pages. So a left join returns every element in SEO whether or not it has a match in the website set. So question 8. What is the most interesting thing you learned from your Venn diagram? How would you describe this knowledge using SQL set operation? So the most interesting thing I learned is that SQL set operation work just like mathematical sets, and it helps us to understand the intersection and the union between different sets and how we can represent in real life different data set, getting one members representing different data set. One member representing different data sets. So we will then move on to my Venn diagram. So this is my Venn diagram. So on my Venn diagram, the first question is SQL set union. So if you look at the union, we have indoors hobbies, creative hobbies, and when we look at their members, the union is all members in the indoors hobbies and creative hobbies. So, but there might not be a repetitive of members. And we have SQL intersection. So we go to indoors hobbies and outdoors hobbies, and we check for their members. We are looking for members who appears in indoors hobbies and also appears in outdoors hobbies. And also we have test hobbies. We are looking for members who also appear in test hobbies. And our result, we have online courses, learning new skills. From our diagram, we may see it here. So we have indoors hobbies, outdoors hobbies, and tech hobbies. So we will then continue to question 3, which says that we are looking choose any two or more of the data set in your Venn diagram, find an outlier element, describe what excluding this outlier element. We are dealing with the except operation here. So we choose indoors hobbies and 8 members, creative hobbies and 8 members, and looking at our results, we are looking at reading, puzzles, yoga, and home workout. So we are looking for members in indoors hobbies who do not appear in creative hobbies. Those are the members that we are looking for, and we get reading, puzzles, and homework workout. We have SQL join operation for inner. So using all the data set in your Venn diagram, each segment will represent the result of an inner join. If this does not apply to your specific Venn diagram, explain why. So here we have indoors hobbies, outdoors hobbies, creative hobbies, and tech hobbies. All the data set and their members. And when we check our results here, we find out that we have online courses and learning new skills. All these are intercepted at this center, which is online courses and learning new skills. So the intersection is members that appear in indoors hobbies, and members that are also the same members that also appear in outdoor hobbies, and the same members that also appear in creative hobbies, and the same members that appear in tech hobbies. So we will then move on to SQL join operation left. Using any two of the data set in the Venn diagram, how would you describe the result of the left joint? So these we use indoors hobbies and creative hobbies, and looking at their members, our result we had was reading, puzzles, yoga, home workout, adult coloring and calligraphy, online courses, and learning new skills. Matching hobbies in creative hobbies are adult coloring, drawing, calligraphy, online courses, and learning new skills. And matching hobbies are reading, puzzles, yoga, and home workout. So a left join return all hobbies, whether or not they appear in the creative hobby set. And our last question is, what is the most interesting thing you learned from your Venn diagram? So the most interesting thing I learned from that one hobby can belong to several sets at the same time. For example, online courses and learning new skills are found in all hobby groups using SQL set operation like union, intersection, and except. From here we will go to some resources that also talk about union set operation. These are YouTube resources.
Back again in today's video, I'm going to be explaining joins in MySQL. A join is a clause that is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them, such as a foreign key. Here's an example. I have two tables, a table of transactions and a table of customers. Think of these two tables as a Venn diagram. Transactions will be the table on the left, customers will be the table on the right. Whatever data they have in common.
In practice, I'll explain how you can pull my public Postgres tracker image, which already has all the tables and data that we'll use in this tutorial. But first, let's quickly refresh what primary and foreign keys are. Typically, in relational database, data is organized into different tables.